So here we are in a special room where the installation Interpreted World for Piano is. And this is a work that is based on the translation into Braille of 214 dots. And these dots from the Braille are drawn in a music score. And these music scores are interpreted by composer Kiko Faxas to make a composition that this piano, this automatic piano, is playing. The idea behind this is to dissolve through the sound all the differences that that religion has created. Some of them are quite imaginary, and to concentrate on the essential, which is spirituality.